So, I'm moving into my new place. I'm not moved in yet. Just got here. Got me a microwave, donated, thankfully. Needs cleaned out. But, I was told something by my friend Harley that I had to try out. See, I had this strange addiction to these nasty little things called peeps. Yeah, peeps. They're disgusting, but I always buy them and I never know what to do with them. And the reason I mentioned the microwave is my friend Harley said I should put one in a microwave. So now I'm going to put one in a microwave and see what happens. Don't mind the messy microwave. It's not my fault. Oh, the lead shielding is gonna fuck it up. Oh my god. Giant peep! Ugh.